How to unlike all your liked videos on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can unlike all of your TikTok liked videos. So if you have liked many videos and you want to unlike them all, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now go to your profile page by tapping on profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the three lines in the top to go to settings and privacy. Now once you're in your profile page, you will see the heart icon that is in the right hand side of the screen. You can tap on it to see your liked videos. This will show you a list of the TikToks that you've liked. Since TikTok does not offer a way to unlike all videos at once, you will need to use another method. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen and go to settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down and go to report a problem. In the report a problem page, go to chat with us with the headphone icon. This will take you to the conversation or the chat page. Here you need to go ahead and explain your problem to the TikTok team. Tell them that you want to unlike all of your liked videos at once, and ask them to help you. Add any other relevant information such as screenshot or anything like that if you prefer. And once you submit the message, they should respond to you within a day or two and help you unlike all your videos. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.